Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply vitamin E to your face. First, ensure your face is thoroughly cleansed to remove any makeup or impurities. Next, take a vitamin E capsule and carefully puncture it with a clean pin or needle. Then, gently squeeze the rich, nourishing oil directly onto your clean fingertips, preparing it for application. Once the oil is on your fingertips, you can apply it directly to specific areas you wish to treat, such as blemishes or dry patches. Using gentle, upward circular motions, massage the oil into your skin for about 2 to 3 minutes. This helps with absorption and stimulates blood flow. For broader coverage, you might mix it with a small amount of your regular moisturizer. Vitamin E is known for its powerful antioxidant properties, which can help protect your skin from environmental damage. It's also a fantastic moisturizer, helping to keep your skin hydrated and supple. Many people find it beneficial for reducing the appearance of scars and fine lines over time. For best results, apply it once daily, preferably before bed, allowing it to work overnight. Before applying vitamin E to your entire face, always perform a patch test on a small, inconspicuous area to check for any sensitivity or allergic reactions. Avoid applying the oil to open wounds, cuts, or severely irritated skin, as this could cause further discomfort. If you experience any redness or itching, discontinue use. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals, including some fantastic socks with a lifetime warranty. Your skin will thank you for this nourishing treatment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.